All right, so I'm going to go over week 4 of e-learning with all of you. So this week's going to be a little bit different than other weeks. You guys have Monday off. That's a no student day, so there won't be any assignments for that day. And the other 7th grade teachers and I decided to just focus in on one topic for this week. So we noticed during the PIMDAS and expressions review that you guys kind of struggled with exponents. So we're going to focus in a little bit on that and include new information starting next week on exponents. So we want to make sure you really understand the basics. So it's just 3 days of understanding exponents. So let's talk about some of your assignments. Okay, so one other major change this week is that there's not going to be any IXL assignments for this week. That may not be true for next week, but this week, since I wanted you to focus in on one topic, and you've technically already done an IXL on that one topic, I just kind of avoided it for this week, and we have other assignments to do. So you will be replacing IXL with some Nearpod quizzes. I just want you to try your best on those. You don't have to get a certain score. If you get a 50, that's okay. Just message me because you may just need some help with the math. That way, when you keep doing your assignments, they get a little better. You have 2 Nearpod quizzes throughout the week. One is just like a review of a video and the notes you took. Second has some actual math to do after you had been practicing it for a while. Other than that, everything's mostly the same. Make sure your submissions are clear. All assignments are due Sunday at 11:45 p.m. I will be doing Zoom Monday through Thursday from 12 to 1. Message me if you have any questions. Again, you don't have school Monday, so your lesson doesn't start till Tuesday. So you are going to click on your Tuesday lesson. And sign in. Make sure, especially this time, you sign in with your real name because I gave you Nearpod quizzes and now I'm actually going to be able to see your score and do all of that, and that's how I will grade your Nearpod quizzes. Please use your real name, not a nickname, and include your last name just in case I have another student with the same name as you. So this week we'll be focusing on understanding exponents. Again, there's going to be some new information, so you actually have to watch all of these videos and take notes. Your activities for today is you are going to watch and take notes on the video that's on the next slide and take a picture of those notes. Those will be your submissions to EDSB. You will also have a Nearpod quiz. It's a lot of reading because it's all of the stuff that should have been in your notes from the video. If you don't do well on this Nearpod quiz, it means that you may have to watch that video again. It means you may need that information. When you are all done with all of this, you will submit your picture of your notes to EDSB for today. So the video was a little bit too big to post here. I mean, it's 12 minutes just like your other ones, but you just click here. And again, you watch and take notes. It was created by Miss Moore. She's one of the other 7th grade math teachers here. She did a great job explaining all of the little things. That goes into a little bit more detail on exponents than like EdGens did. And yeah, so just make sure you take notes, even like the worded parts, not just on the math, because all of those definitions and things like that, that's what your Nearpod quiz will be on. So when you go back to Nearpod, you have a 7-question quiz. So you're going to complete all of those questions. And then you will be done. Hopefully you don't get a 0 out of 7. When you're all done, post a picture of your notes to EDSB on the /21 video notes. Everything is due Sunday, like always. If you need a reminder to find where to post your assignments, you scroll down past the main post and it should be somewhere here. Make sure you're following along with the right thing. That is it for your first day of the 4th week. I'll come back with some other ones.